Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make bubble braids. First, ensure your hair is clean and dry, then gather your essential tools, a comb, a brush, and several small hair ties. Begin by brushing out any tangles to create a smooth base. Next, decide where you want your bubble braid to start, whether it's a high, low, or side ponytail. This initial step sets the stage for a beautiful and lasting style. Once your hair is brushed and positioned, secure it into a neat ponytail with your first hair tie. This forms the base of your bubble braid. Now, take a small section of hair from the top of this ponytail, just enough to create your first bubble. Using another hair tie, secure this smaller section about 1 to 2 inches down from the initial ponytail tie. Ensure it's snug, but not too tight. After securing your second tie, gently pull the sides of the hair between the first and second ties. This creates the bubble effect, giving your braid its signature voluminous look. Continue this process. Take another section of hair from below the previous tie, secure it with a new hair tie about 1 to 2 inches further down, then gently pull to form the next bubble. Maintain consistent spacing for a uniform appearance. To complete your bubble braid, continue the tying and pulling technique until you reach the end of your hair. Secure the very end with a final hair tie. For a polished finish, gently tug at each bubble to adjust its size and shape, ensuring a balanced look. A light mist of hairspray will help hold your style in place all day. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.